How to add extra baggage in Air France. Are you planning to travel with baggage that exceeds the weight and size included in your ticket? Do you need to carry extra bags? Air France makes it convenient for you to do so. Here's how to add extra baggage. It's essential to note that at some Air France counters, cash payments are not accepted. Please be prepared to pay by card at the airport. Air France offers 3 baggage options to choose from, depending on your needs. You can pay for 1 or more extra bags online, and if purchased at least 24 hours before your flight's scheduled departure, you may benefit from a discounted rate. If you have baggage with dimensions exceeding 158 centimeter height plus length plus width, but not exceeding 300 centimeters/118 in, you can select this option and pay for it at the airport. Travelers with bags exceeding the standard weight limit included in their ticket, usually 32 kilograms, can choose this option and pay for it at the airport. Pro tip: if you decide to purchase your baggage options at least 24 hours before your flight's scheduled departure, you can enjoy a discounted rate. Special benefits: Flying Blue members can use their miles to purchase baggage options. Flying Blue Explorer status holders can save up to €10 on their first additional baggage item. Blue Biz members can utilize their Blue credits to purchase baggage options. Pricing: the fees for additional baggage options are displayed when you purchase your ticket. If you already have a ticket, you can buy the additional baggage option in the My Bookings section. For flights booked with a light fare between Europe and North America, the price of the additional baggage option remains the same online and at the airport for the first bag. Remember to verify the latest details on the Air France website, as information may change. Safe travels. Link to Air France baggage information airlines, as information may change. Visit this website for more information. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.